How to earn money in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily earn money. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. So this is the place where you'll be able to see your profile. Here, there's an option called Earn Money. Simply tap on Earn Money. So this will take you to a different interface. So here, there are different options through which you can earn money. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to redeem different coins by simply inviting others and having different exciting games. So the basics is by inviting other players and other friends to join Bigo Live. So this will give you a referral point that you can add in your wallet. Later, you can even redeem it and earn it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.